So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is about how to change the ringtones of your device, mainly of the iPad. So let's get started. First go to settings. In sounds we get the here ringtone, text tone, calendar alerts, reminder alerts, airdrop and all. So we can also have the keyboard clicks, which are the sounds when you type something, and the lock sound when you switch off your iPad, then the lock sound comes. So this was how to do that. So thank you guys, like my video and subscribe my channel too.